Hello guys, hello everyone, it's your girl Karina Blessing. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're stumbling on this video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscription button and also click on the bell notification to keep you notified of all my videos. Like happy new year guys, happy new year everyone, welcome to 2024. Like I'm happy we all made it to 2024. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not coming on the 1st of January to say happy new year. Like I know it's pretty late now, but this is still the 1st of Jan. This is the first month of the year. It's still January, so I'm still correct, and I'm still gonna be writing just to say happy new year. I'm sorry I've not been consistent here. Like I'm really sorry about that, but believe me, this time around it's going to be back-to-back videos. Okay, so 2024 is going to be an amazing year. Like it's going to be an amazing year of great opportunities, good business connection. Like it's going to, like I'm seeing it already, it's a blessed year. I can feel it. It's going to be a blessed year for us. 2023 was really great because I was able to achieve a lot and I attained new feats in 2023, and I know that 2024 has a lot in store for us. It has a lot in store for us. So I think around November, yeah, and December, I've not been here on YouTube. I've not really been consistent and steady on YouTube, and a lot of people might be asking, where's Karina Blessing? Why is she not? Why is she not publishing videos? Why is she not filming content? And if you are not consistent in what you're doing, people will see you as lazy and incompetent, right? So I know you guys felt that way, but the thing is, I was really busy. I was really occupied with a lot of things, and I needed more and maximum concentration. I was writing my final examination and all of that. So don't worry, the gist story. You'll be seeing the high I'll be dropping some of the video clips, right? So you can see what kept me busy then. So that was it. By the grace of God, I graduated last year and I defended my project. So a lot of things happened last year, which you still can't hear the stories. But as time goes on, we keep dropping them bit by bit. Okay, so throughout the last year, I was really occupied with that. Writing a project and writing a final examination. It's really easy. So I just needed to concentrate. Believe me, I just needed maximum concentration. So that was why I left YouTube. But right now, everything is done and I am back fully. Like I am back fully for good. So guys, this is 2024. If you haven't been busy, like if you haven't been serious with your life, it is time to buckle up. Like the 2024 anthem goes, no grief for anybody. A lot of people have different meaning when they say no grief for anybody, right? A lot of people have different explanation to no grief for anybody, but to me, I feel 2024 is a year that you need to be resilient, you need to be creative, you need to give it your back to back, you need to top up your game. That is what I feel no grief for anybody means. So if your own version of no grief for anybody is to go and fight somebody or to go and blow somebody's mouth, that's your business. But my own version is keep being good at what you do, keep being the best, keep being at the top of your game. When someone wants to call for someone that is very perfect or that is close to perfection in your niche, in your industry, the person they should call should be you. So you don't need to lag behind. You don't need to leave any stone unturned in 2024. If you think this is just the beginning of the year, that there is still time, there is no time. There is absolutely no time. So I'll just urge you, start doing something. Get busy with your life. Get serious you don't have a skill yet, get a skill. There's something you've been pursuing, there's something you want to start up, start them. Just get busy, get off your comfort zone, and start living your best life. That's all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please do what to hit the subscription button. And my returning subscribers, thank you all for not forgetting this girl. You guys are the real MVP. Like, I'm rooting for all of you in 2024. Bye.